Our show homes are our shop window to our brand and all our potential customers. Our core purpose is to deliver a better way to live, and that all starts with homes that are better by design.
We offer the higher ceiling lines, the bay windows, so that the arts and crafts movement is shown in a modern day home. And many try, but no one pulls it off like Redrow.
Build quality trumps programme every time. Quality is at the utmost importance to the Redrow brand. We need to get it right and spot on for our customers. Typical install of a property is start to finish, normally around about 24 weeks, weather depending. We've got 12 weeks for the external, 12 weeks for the internal, managed by regular intervals and stop points with the subcontractors and the stage build. Once we have completed our build stages and we're happy with each stage as it goes through, including NHBC sign-offs on each build stage, foundations, superstructure, pre-plasters and finishes. We invite our directors to come down and have a look, make sure they are happy. If there's any snags, we deal with them, and then it'll be ready for a customer to move in.
It's a very detail-orientated approach, and you have to be extremely thorough, and it comes back to the communication. So I can sign off a show home, but we have to make sure that anything that needed to be changed or wasn't quite right, things do happen. So we have to continuously communicate from my team with Region.
The communication between all of the team is crucial. We're basically running two programmes and combining them together. So you have our build programme, but then we're bringing in Alicia's installation programme and combining the two together. So timings are crucial. So it ends up becoming a seamless delivery.
As the senior project manager here at Goffs Oak, my responsibility is to make sure the build goes to programme. That means coordinating commercial, technical and sales all at the same time with our programme.
Our interior design team at Redrow is completely unique. We are industry leading and award winning, and it's because we drive that interior design led spec from the core. What you see in a show home has been designed by our team in-house, and that is available to purchase in your own Redrow home. Trends are really important. We get trend inspiration from everywhere, trade shows, fashion, culture, music, what you're watching on TV at the moment. We apply those things in a delicate way to ensure that they're right for our buyer and who we think will buy these Redrow homes. So the data drives it, the trends drip feed in, and the persona is always in the background of the scheme.
I feel the way we dress our show homes enhances all of those arts and crafts features that our homes have that our competitors don't. We don't try and overpower them with bold schemes. We still let the home do the talking.
There is no differences between the quality that we're building a show home or a normal customer's plot. The only difference that may be will be the programme, and it'll be extended to suit the extras that we will put in.
Being able to highlight the specification and the options available to the customer through My Redrow is crucial, and the only thing that brings that to life is a show home. So the marketing materials obviously list these items, but in the show home they can come and touch and feel and see, and we can clearly identify what is standard to that customer and what is an upgrade.
Our team will check through all that and drive the look of that spec, so the customer has the best of the best. They have the best to choose from, which is industry leading, and it's all detail orientated. Every element is checked thoroughly by myself, my team. We relay this with the sales director, and then it knits together the whole sign off for that show home and make sure that it's absolutely perfect and ready to hand over.
Every show home is telling a story. So it's making sure that that story flows throughout every room and is relevant, and every item in that room reflects our quality and standards. No matter what we have on the websites, whether it's virtual tours, videos, they don't compare to being actually enabling to open our doors to customers again and allowing them to walk around. And when you do see their faces walk around a new show home, you can see they're just wowed and inspired from the minute they walk through the door. So it's a lovely thing to see again.